What's good? The Ink Doctor. I keep saying it. Dr. Trenzler here. And I'm showing off what just came for me from eBay. Still waiting on the second thing, but we've got the, what's it called? The 7th Doctor and with Dalek from Remembrance of the Daleks. I believe this is one of the History of the Dalek sets. Yeah, so 7 and Renegade. Like I said in the last video, I'm trying to collect all of the Remembrance figures and stuff. I've got Ace, I've got both Doctors now with that one. I've got 2 Renegades, 1 Supreme, Emperor Davros, and Special Weapons Dalek, the talking version, which doesn't work anymore. And 3 Imperial Daleks, I'm gonna say? Yeah. So, yeah. Give me a moment. I'm gonna get this out of box and I'll show you more. All right, and so we have them out of packaging. So we got this lovely Renegade Dalek. I think it's darker than the other one. I'll do a quick comparison in a minute. Here we got the 7th Doctor with the cream jacket without the hat. This is a figure I don't have. I have a brown jacket with no hat. So it's cool to have another variant of 7, my favorite Doctor of all time. And yeah, like this looks really good. I love the darker hues. Okay, that's a little creaky. I love the darker hues on the Renegade Dalek. And this is more of a cream color than the other one. I think it's like a darker cream or a deeper cream. I don't know the exact term, but I'm going to do side-by-sides of them in a minute. Just give me a moment and I'll show you the 2 Daleks. So yes, the 2 Daleks are 2 different hues, like with some other key differences. So this is the one from the new set. This is the one from the Supreme and Renegade Dalek set. So as you can see, one is a much lighter gray from the Supreme set. This one is very dark. It matches more of the Revelation of the Daleks 4-pack Renegade Dalek. You can also see this one has gray side panels, and this one has black. This one's got clear speakers. This one's got, like, I think it's got, like, black speakers? I can't tell. And also, if you look at the eye stalks, you can see this one's got more white. This one's more flat and silver, so, yeah. I mean, I still like both of them. I can't decide which is my favorite out of the 2. But these will look very good in the in the cabinet when I show you after I do the comparison of the 7th Doctors. Stay tuned. And of course we have the 2 7th Doctors now. So I was wrong. I was a bit right about the jacket. This one is lighter. This one is a bit darker. But not much differences in them. Like, one comes with an umbrella, of course. And one, of course, is smiling. The other is like Death to the Daleks. One's got the hat, and one doesn't. But, yeah. Of course, here we'll just do side by side. Boom. Yeah, all these look really cool, and I'm really excited for these to join the collection so far. This will be growing. Oh, and of course, there's Ace from the other Remembered set. I lost the rocket launcher a while ago when I moved, but yeah, stay tuned, and I'll show you the Daleks in the new display case. And there we have it, the Remembrance set so far. Hey, look, you can see me. Hello. Yes, so these guys look phenomenal together. And of course, yeah, there's a Necros Dalek. Don't worry about it. But yeah, this is insane. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. We shall now close this. Till the next time, we must add one to the collection. But yes, thank you so much for checking this out, and stay tuned for more. Dr. Trenzler out.